Hey, everybody. I think I figured out something pretty cool. Okay, so over here I have my GameCube. Here I have my Vixia camera, which is, yes, still on. And so I was thinking, would there be a way to live stream my GameCube games while I played them, like, literally live? So I thought of CamTwist right away. And why is it not focusing? But yeah, I'll figure that out later. So I originally thought of CamTwist. Yep, CamTwist. This great application I played around with a couple of years ago, maybe a year and a half. I never really did anything with it. So, like, I originally thought of that. And then I was like, the Mac Pro sees that as a video input, or it sees it as a camera. So when I have the Blackmagic Media Express, see, I have all my settings. NTSC is what am using for the component cables, and so it's coming in through head over to system preferences, second camera. The input is my composite video, Y-in, and analog RCA audio, and that's all that my GameCube offers. So, usually, I was thinking, if I go over to Google Plus and find that Hangout button right there, like I originally thought to do this with CamTwist, but it didn't seem to be working. So here I have this, and so then I went up into here and see how the different video quality shows up as different cameras. What I was thinking was to use, you have to have this open for it to work, so I have this open, it's all set up. So I go into Chrome, select this to use as my camera, because it's going from there into there, and it sees it as a camera using the software. So this should relatively work, but nothing. Just gives me my R, which I'm not really want right now. Blackmagic doesn't seem to do anything. Usually if it works it'll show up there, but the settings I have it on is the NTSC settings, so it should relatively show up, because in here in the preferences it's using project video format, the NTSC, or NTSC. And where the system, okay. And inside here, the computer sees it in Media Express, right here, and so that settings here are good. So it should relatively work, because it sees this video, head over Chrome, but nothing shows up. And then I thought, hey, my Canon Vixia HFR20 uses HDMI, maybe it'll work. So potentially I could use this as a webcam. So let me cancel all this first. And there's Lamar's video. Okay, first I'll handle system preferences. Switch this to HDMI video and audio. No, wrong one. Input HDMI video and audio. And then I don't mess with any of that stuff right now. Head over to Blackmagic Intensity Pro or Media Express. Change this to HD 1080p 1080i 59.94 because that's the profile that this uses. And here you go. Right here. See? Right here. Kind of hard to see that, but you can see it sees my camera. So here's a tour of my desk and stuff, but there's my room, here's my calculator. But yeah, here's my desk. So it sees it and it should relatively work. I'm just going to zoom in so it doesn't turn off. So I jump on over to Chrome, start a new Hangout. And go into here where I was before. Set this to 59, Blackmagic in HD 1080i 59.94. Let's double check. Is this in 59.94? Yep, right there, HD 1080i 59.94. It sees it. So, relatively, this should see it right here. I also tried it on Vocal, but nothing would work. But I really don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe the system understands that it is coming in, but doesn't understand how to put it back out since it's already on here. But how, like, maybe it's can only have one signal at a time, and this is like dual signal. Like it's going from the computer and then from the computer to the using it as a camera, so maybe that has something to do with it, but it should relatively work. Save changes, nothing. And there's MS, Luke, me, and some other friends. But this should relatively work. I'm sort of looking outside the box, which is good, but it's not working. But that was my awesome idea for the night. Got all my homework done last night, so I could sort of do whatever tonight. But you can see it. See, there's my camera. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to tweet me or leave a comment on this video. Leave a comment on this video. But yeah, I'm going to play around with CamTwist to see if I can get that to work. And here you can see nothing works in Vocal. I tried Vocal. This is all my cameras. Blackmagic 1080i 15. This is the one that should be showing, but nothing. All the rest cameras, but yeah, nothing is working for me. So, I'm gonna fool around in CamTwist some more. So, yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment on this video right now, if you have any suggestions. But, yeah, like what I was thinking to do with this is whenever I was bored or whatever, when I didn't have much to do, when I wasn't playing around, was to just say, hey, I'm doing a playing online, and then tweet out a link with me in the Hangout or just the YouTube link. So yeah, not sure if this will work eventually or whenever, but this is a start. So yeah, thanks for any suggestions. And this is a 10-minute vlog. So GameCube, awesome. Vixia, awesome. MacBook Pro, awesome. Mac Pro, awesome. But yeah, any ideas, leave a comment, and yeah, later everybody.